You may find this hard to believe, but some of the most powerful tools for protecting your eyesight are not found in a clinic, a pharmacy, or a prescription bottle. They're already sitting in your kitchen, and when used at the right time, especially before sleep, they can help your aging eyes repair, calm inflammation, and regain strength overnight. This matters more than most people realize, because across the world, millions of older adults are quietly struggling with changes in their vision that go far beyond needing stronger glasses. Eyes that burn after just a few minutes of reading. Eyes that can't handle bright sunlight or nighttime headlights. Eyes that see shadows, halos, or a dull haze where sharp detail used to be. I've spoken to men and women who once drove confidently at night, but now plan their lives around daylight. Others who loved books, sewing, or painting, but slowly gave them up because their eyes simply couldn't keep up. And one sentence I hear far too often is this: "I'm scared because it feels like I'm slowly losing my sight." If that sounds familiar, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not imagining it, and you are not alone. What you're experiencing is often not just old age. It's the result of years of reduced circulation to the eyes, silent nutrient depletion, and chronic low-grade inflammation damaging delicate eye tissues, especially at night when repair should be happening. But here's the good news. There is a natural way to support your eyes while you sleep. No medications, no procedures, no expensive drops. Just simple, targeted nourishment, used consistently and at the right time. And tonight, I'll show you exactly how. Before we continue, if this is your first time here and you value calm, honest health guidance designed specifically for seniors, I invite you to subscribe to Feel Fresh 360. This channel exists to support you, gently, clearly, and respectfully, as you age stronger. Now let's begin with the first nut that quietly supports both your eyes and your brain. Number 1. Walnuts, the brain-eye connector. If there's one nut that works behind the scenes for vision health, it's the walnut. Most people think walnuts are just heart-healthy. And yes, they are. But their impact on vision goes much deeper. Walnuts are one of the richest natural sources of omega-3 fats, especially a form called ALA. Your eyes are not separate from your brain. They are part of your nervous system, connected directly through the optic nerve. As we age, blood flow to both the brain and retina slows, nutrient absorption declines, and the communication between eye and brain becomes less efficient. That's when you notice slower adjustment to light, difficulty seeing fine detail, eye fatigue after simple tasks. The omega-3s in walnuts help restore circulation, reduce nerve inflammation, and protect the fragile signaling pathways that allow you to see clearly. One woman I worked with, a 71-year-old former artist, told me she stopped painting because colors looked flat and tiring. After adding walnuts to a simple evening routine, she returned weeks later with renewed clarity and confidence. "I feel like my eyes are awake again," she said. And that's exactly what walnuts help do. Wake up the connection between eye and brain. But walnuts are only the beginning. Number 2, pistachios. If walnuts support the connection, pistachios protect the core. Your retina, especially the macula, is responsible for sharp central vision, reading, recognizing faces, driving. Every day, it absorbs light, sunlight, television, phones, indoor lighting. Over time, this exposure causes damage, especially after 60. Pistachios contain 2 powerful compounds your eyes depend on, lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light before it damages retinal tissue. Your body cannot make them, You must get them from food. And pistachios are one of the few nuts that naturally contain both, along with healthy fats that improve absorption. Men and women who increase lutein and zeaxanthin intake often notice less glare sensitivity, improved contrast, better night vision confidence. One 68-year-old gentleman told me headlights felt like explosions at night. After consistent nutritional support, including pistachios, he said, "I'm driving again, and I'm not afraid anymore." That's the power of protecting the retina from the inside. Number 3. Brazil nuts, the inflammation soothers. If your eyes often feel dry, irritated, or burning, even when you haven't strained them, inflammation is often the hidden cause. This is where Brazil nuts shine. They are the richest natural source of selenium, a trace mineral critical for controlling inflammation and oxidative stress. Selenium helps calm irritated eye tissues, protect the lens and retina, support antioxidant recycling. Most older adults are unknowingly low in selenium. I once suggested just one Brazil nut per day to a 74-year-old teacher who relied constantly on artificial tears. A month later, he told me, "My eyes feel quiet again." Sometimes healing doesn't require more, just the right support. Number 4. Hazelnuts, the moisture and collagen supporters. As we age, eyes don't just lose clarity, they lose moisture and structure. Collagen holds the eye's shape, flexibility, and hydration. And collagen naturally declines after 60. Hazelnuts are rich in vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects eye membranes and slows collagen breakdown. Vitamin E helps maintain moisture, reduce dryness and tearing, protect the cornea and lens. One woman told me her eyes watered constantly, not from excess moisture, but from chronic dryness. After consistent evening nourishment, including hazelnuts, she said simply, "I can look people in the eyes again." Here's where everything comes together. Your eyes repair themselves at night, if they have the tools. About 45 to 60 minutes before bed, prepare a small bowl, a few walnuts, a small handful of pistachios, one Brazil nut, a few hazelnuts. Pair it with a warm herbal tea like chamomile. No screens, no rush. Let this be a ritual, not a chore. Many people report less morning dryness, calmer eyes, clearer reading vision. Consistency is the secret. Aging does not mean surrendering your sight. Your eyes are resilient when supported properly. One small bowl, one quiet evening, one decision to care for yourself. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone who may be struggling silently. And let me know in the comments, have you noticed changes in your vision lately? Until next time, this is Feel Fresh 360, reminding you, small acts of care create powerful healing, especially when they begin tonight.